Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US 3-year note auction will be released at 17 GMT. The US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 6 GMT. The French industrial output at 6:45 GMT. The Dutch consumer spending volume at 4:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Nasdaq notched a record high close, lifted by a rally in Broadcom, while the S&P 500 also gained as investors bet the Federal Reserve will soon lower borrowing costs to shore up economic growth. Nasdaq-listed design and manufacturing company Forward Industries secured $1.65 billion in cash and stablecoin commitments to launch a Solana-focused crypto treasury strategy. The company said it raised the largest Solana treasury to date, led by crypto-native companies Galaxy Digital, Jump Crypto, and Multicoin Capital. StubHub is targeting evaluation of up to $9.2 billion in its US initial public offering, becoming the latest company to resume listing plans delayed in April due to tariff uncertainty. The New York-based firm is offering 34 million shares, priced between $22 and $25 each.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro rise 0.4% against the dollar. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The pound rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.